What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. Hope you're all doing great. And excuse me, I just had to see if I was recording because I was pressing some random buttons. But yeah, and welcome to this update on Matic. And to everybody that's new, welcome to the channel. Basically, what we'll do in this video is we'll talk about Matic. All right, we'll talk about the price. Obviously, this huge momentum we've had. We'll talk about how Matic and Polygon is still one of my favorite projects, because it is. It has been for a really long time, and people that know me know that as well. And it's just a joke. We won't talk about that, but we will talk about fundamentals and news, all right? Because Polygon has had amazing fundamentals and amazing news behind it for the last couple of days. First, I quickly wanted to grab your attention from a new partner, BingX. BingX is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges out there. It's 100% legit, and you have a lot of cryptos to trade and buy. And apart from that, if you sign up right now through the link down in the description, you get a 10% off all transaction fees forever, and you can get up to a $125 bonus for free. Now let's get on with the rest of the video. Apart from that, technically we've also been very strong too. So we'll also take a look at the price. We hit this $1.15, $1.2 key level, which is a very strong resistance level. So we'll talk about whether we can actually break that or not, and at least my opinion on that. And what's the most likely scenario? So let's get right into it. Let's start with a little bit of the fundamentals. Won't take too long. First of all, up 15%, which is crazy for, I mean, that's a lot of money, all right? Volume of 1.6 billion, so obviously you need that to actually let the market cap go up by that much. Yeah, I was actually wondering if we were close to the top 10 already. Not that close yet, but we're getting there. But apart from that, great news. The Polygon blockchain is going to be used for some things on Meta. I'm not sure 100% for the NFTs. I think on Meta, like the avatars. So that's amazing news. All right. And apart from that, and I'm not sure if they've made any. I'm not sure if they've made any progress on that, but obviously they're working very hard on their EVM, zero knowledge EVM right now. So that's amazing news as well. But I can't find any new news apart from that. Yeah, here you can see you'll be able to make and sell NFTs on Instagram starting with Polygon. Then you can connect to Solana and the Phantom wallet. So Solana, or especially Phantom, was very bullish as well. But that's major bullish fundamentals, right? I mean, we can all agree on that. And apart from that, this one, the Polygon ZK EVM, is being developed a lot too, and we're expecting a launch pretty soon. If you take a look at the price, that's the main catalyst behind this. And to be honest, a partnership and being used on Meta is huge for Polygon. It's an amazing blockchain. It's fast, it's scalable, it's cheap, it's a little bit centralized. I'm a big fan, but we have to be honest. But yeah, so that's amazing news. So right now, as I said, we have reached a very significant and strong resistance level. And that's not something we should forget. I mean, in the end, this entire move down from 84 cents was 38%. That's just a lot for a huge crypto like Matic. So right now, I don't think we'll break above 1.15 and 1.2. I think that's going to be our resistance for a little bit longer. We could break through that and get to our next price target around 1.3 later on this month. Very possible, but like for the next week or something. I think this is going to be our resistance. I mean, there's one thing, there's this support here around 1.1 and 1.08. We will find some support there. If from there we are actually able to get up to 1.2, there might be a shot to actually break through 1.2 and get to 1.3, but I don't think it's the most likely scenario. But if you see something like that happening, then know that I could be wrong. All right, which obviously is always possible. But for now, I think it's more likely that we'll find some support at 1.1, and then eventually that will drop down to 1.05 and $1, this level. Very strong support level, and I don't think we'll break through that unless we get some sort of a huge market crash. But I think we'll consolidate on top of that. And then if we actually get some more news, or if the market actually gets a little bit more bullish, which there's definitely a chance for that, then I think we'll be able to after consolidating on top of that for some time, I think we'll be able to challenge 1.2 again. But I will keep making updates on Matic, obviously. But yeah, so if we could see some like something like this, consolidation, and then you continue the rally. Consolidation and maybe a small drop, you continue the rally, or consolidation, continuation of the rally. So yeah, it's just Matic moves a lot like that. So right now, short term, I am expecting some bearish momentum, even though there's a wild card at 1.1 and 1.08. But I'm definitely and 100% bullish on Matic still for the next month. So yeah, that's my take on Matic this morning. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care, and I hope to see you all in my next videos.